everybody. Notice anything different? Here's the thing that's different. I'm wearing around my neck a USB port. And look, the cap actually comes off and it's so clever. My mom doesn't even have one that you can hang from your neck. And I'll be able to store my favorite images away from Logan on this thing, including just all the animated GIF images that I found. Thing is, I haven't downloaded the Big Booty one. I really want to, but I just think that one of these is hilarious. The seal one. At school, I said to people, Patrick's on your seal, and no one understood it. And I'll be able to store that away from Logan. Bye! This is my USB port video.